Welcome back to Houston Live. Texas Medical Center is not just leading in healthcare, it's helping shape the next generation behind it. A program called BioPath is giving students a first-hand look at careers in science and medicine. Melanie Camp shows us how it's all coming together.
The Texas Medical Center in Houston is the largest medical complex in the world. And here, a new generation is getting an early look at the future of science. It's called BioPath, part of the TMC Innovation Factor, and it's introducing students to careers in biomanufacturing and the life sciences.
For a lot of those students, it's actually understanding hands-on what they could be doing. It's making that connection between what they're doing on the lab and how that impacts a patient. And so here at TMC, we have so many of these startups here at Innovation Factory, our researchers that are working on the next great cancer drug. And so it's those people, those are going to be the technicians that can actually bring that drug to the patients. And so it's linking them together, having them access where they come in, they can spend time at TMC, they get mentorship, and then ultimately, of course, is working hand in hand to make sure that we can do job placements at the end of their time.
For high school students like Augustia Varanasi, this is a first look at what the future could be.
I've actually learned an incredible amount and also developed my interests a lot for that same reason. And it's really solidified my future pathway too. I was unsure between fields before, but now I really know what I want to do, and this TMC has basically become a family to me, a second home.
Since this is sort of a new industry, a lot of students and parents don't actually know it exists. And so it's doing this building awareness and letting people know about biomanufacturing, what it is, the types of careers that you can find. And so through a program, actually Learning Undefeated is also our partner. We actually have a mobile STEM lab that goes to visit different HISD schools. And so during their STEM classes, so their science, the math classes, they actually come out and they get to understand what it actually means, and they go with a hands-on experiential learning to go through a process of what a biomanufacturing technician would be doing.
What starts as exposure can quickly become a pathway, connecting students to mentorship, training, and certification programs that lead directly into the workforce. And the pathway is expanding. A new partnership between Texas Medical Center and San Jacinto College is creating more direct routes from the classroom to careers in one of Houston's fastest growing industries. San Jacinto College Chancellor Dr. Brenda Hellyer says the goal is to make sure students know these opportunities exist and have a clear way to pursue them.
So we're signing this agreement today with TMC, which helps us solidify our relationship to work together to build capacity for these jobs, to educate our youth about what are the opportunities for the future in biomanufacturing, pharmaceutical manufacturing. This builds off of some really exciting things that are already happening in Houston, such as the Eli Lilly $6.5 billion expansion. And this is TMC and their work already around biomanufacturing. And again, with these jobs, these are not just jobs that anybody can come in to do. They need to be trained. There's technicians, and that's what we will be working on, is helping to train the biomanufacturing technicians. And the partnership with TMC is just helping to expand the awareness, expand the excitement around these jobs. TMC's been a partner with us already, and this solidifies where our students are going to have opportunities here, right here in the heart of the medical center. It is a relationship driven on what is best for the student, the region, and the economy, and everybody can benefit around that. And what makes it really great is it's based on trust, and we're going to continue to evolve it as the relationship goes.
Ashley Sosa is already taking that next step toward a future in biomanufacturing.
This partnership is really important because we're right at the cusp of something like huge, especially with bringing biomanufacturing to Houston, and getting that next generation of workforce development to get into these careers right as we're continuing to advance in medicine, which is super cool. The simplest way that I can explain biomanufacturing to friends and family is just saying that biomanufacturing is using cells to make a product. So this product can be vaccines, it can be cutting edge like cell and gene therapy that can be used for cancer patients. So putting it into that type of perspective can make it easier for friends and family to understand that we're making a product that has a real impact on patients.
I see myself going into interventional radiology, working on innovation in the same pathway of developing new medical devices to make healthcare more accessible I think this pathway overall is going to be to facilitate new discoveries in the field. It's not just purely like the aspect of how do we treat patients now, it's how do we treat patients in the future.
Ultimate goal of TMC is obviously we want patients to get better. And so getting the latest therapeutic, the latest drug, the latest medical device in the hands of clinicians that can then treat the patients. And so Texas Medical Center, being the largest medical center in the world, we see over 10 million patients. And so it's ensuring that they have the latest and the best innovation within the medical field. And so helping companies do that right here next to the medical center.
From early exposure in the classroom to training, mentorship, and careers, BioPath is helping shape the next generation of scientists and the future of medicine in Houston.
Well, you can scan the QR code on your screen to learn more about BioPath and also how you can get involved, including their upcoming Build with BioPath days this summer. You can also go online at tmc.edu/ecosystem/BioPath. We've also put that link on our website. Just look for the Scene on Houston Life section.